educator on PiggyRide. I am teaching art and craft on PiggyRide since last 1 year, and I am teaching so many art forms on PiggyRide, that is sketching painting, watercolor painting, acrylic painting, soft color painting, and soft pastel, oil pastel. So many things I'm teaching on that, like mandala art, doodle art, madhubani painting, and some craft work also. I'm going to teach in my next tutorial. And so art for me, it is something like meditation. It is my hobby as well as my passion. So today I'm going to teach you one beautiful watercolor painting. That is one dog actually, and I have so many brushes, but I would recommend you that you can use any of brush. For detailing, we need pointed brush. Otherwise, you can use any of brush. And I have Fiber Castle watercolors, but you can use any watercolor. There is no problem in whatever brand it is, or you can use any watercolor. If you have bar watercolors, then also you can use. I'm using that tube one watercolor, and we need a little bit of water for that. And yes, the most important thing is paper. You need 200 or 300 plus GSM paper for that particular watercolor painting. So I would recommend you that try to use that particular paper only. So I want to learn that watercolor painting. So let's get started.
First of all, we will secure our paper with the help of masking tape. We are using masking tape here so that our paper will not go here and there while drawing over it. And now quickly draw your character, whatever you want you can draw on that watercolor paper. You can use any normal pencil for drawing this, so quickly draw that. Now I'm going to add watercolor on it. So for the first layer, you can use very light coat for the first coat. So I'm using here black color first coat, and see, I'm using very light for the first time. So let's quickly finish the first layer, which is light. Every time remember this thing, whenever you are drawing or whenever you are painting first coat, then it should be light only. Light means you should use more water and less color when you are using first coat, when you are putting first coat on your paper. Now I am applying second coat. So for the second coat I am using little bit more color and less water, so that it would be look darker than the first one. So once you have finished with the both of the layer, dark and light layer, then it's time to do some detailing with the white color. So I'm applying white color on the eyes and little bit on the nose side. Now it's turn to add background. So for that I'm spreading water all over there and I'm putting different color over that. First I'm using orange color, then green color, and I'm spreading both of the color well. Then I'm adding yellow color over there, mustard yellow I'm using. So you can use any contrast color, so your background will look proper. You can use different color, whatever color you want, and if you feel that anywhere if the excess amount of water is there, then you can wipe it out with the help of cotton or a tissue paper. Now at the end we will add some detailing with the help of sketch pen, and I'm making outlining with the help of sketch pen. Now we have done this. Now I'm taking out my masking tape, and here you can see the final results.